all of these things are possible. Can you explain how the reporting of the crime? So is it done through the mobile app?
Yeah, it would be having 5 systems, and most important would be an app which will be taken by the volunteer who will become the witness to the process of FIR also.
So this mobile app is already live and working, isn't it?
It has been created under Smart India Hackathon, but it is not operational. But the things could be put into the operation, because I would like to place it on record. I conducted 12 Smart India Hackathon in 2020, and all those solutions, they are designed and they are lying, but they have not been integrated. At the strength of those 12 Smart India Hackathons, and many solutions which had been generated through the MOU by me with 53 odd institutes and universities. So these solutions need to be integrated, but there's no desire to do that. So that will be only doable when you are having the authority to do it.
Okay, and if you can explain now, what is the hackathon?
Come again?
Can you explain what is the hackathon? What activity was done?
A Smart India Hackathon is a basically hackathon of the technical institutions, whereby they participate for creating solutions. And it is an all India phenomena, whereby all technical universities and institutes, they compete and for the first position, and the person who get the first position get award of 1 lakh rupees. So I distributed 12 lakh rupees for creating those solutions. And it was a Smart India Hackathon. It is a competitive bid of the technocrats to come and compete and create solutions.
Okay, thank you.
So yeah, it was done in 2020. So those solutions are lying, but they have not taken a concrete shape because of the corona and other things, and then things could not really they could be crystallized. But technically, there's absolutely no problem.
Okay.
And since whatever expenditure we are incurring, it is a source of revenue to the government, because it will be multiplied by 2 and will be recovered from the criminals. Hence, distributing money itself will become a purpose, because the people will become wealthier by distribution of the money. At the same time, government will also become wealthy. So we can have a number of the solutions which are not contemplated at the moment. For example, there could be very advanced mobile